From the Gospel according to Luke. While some people were speaking about how the temple was adorned with costly stones and votive offerings, Jesus said, "All that you see here, the days will come when there will not be left a stone upon another stone that will not be thrown down." Then they asked him, "Teacher, when will this happen? And what sign will there be when all these things are about to happen?" He answered, "See that you not be deceived, for many will come in my name saying, 'I am he,' and 'the time has come.' Do not follow them. When you hear of wars and insurrections, do not be terrified, for such things must happen first. But it will not be immediately be the end." Then he said to them, "Nation will rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. There will be powerful earthquakes, famines, and plagues from place to place, and awesome sights and mighty signs will come from the sky." If human history is filled with dramatic events, situations of suffering, wars, revolutions, and disasters, it is also true, Jesus tells us, that that is not the end of the world. It is not a good reason for letting ourselves be paralyzed by fear or for yielding to the defeatism of those who think that everything is lost and that it is useless to take an active part in life. A disciple of the Lord should not yield to resignation or give in to discouragement, even in the most difficult situations. For our God is a God of resurrection and hope, who always raises up. With Him, we can lift up our gaze and begin anew. Christians, then, in the face of trials, whatever cultural, historical, or personal trial, ask, what is the Lord saying to us through this moment of crisis? Me too, I ask myself the same question today. What is the Lord saying to us, especially in the midst of this Third World War? What is the Lord saying to us? And when evil events occur that give rise to poverty and suffering, the Christian asks, what good can I concretely do? Do not run away. Ask yourself the question, what is the Lord saying to me, and what good can I do?